Okay, so we've had the unfortunate incident of a flat tyre. How do we go about that? So we've got the jack, we've got it away from the van, we've now attached it in place where it's required in our jacking point between the wheels. We can now use this supplied winder to wind our jack, or the same as our stabiliser legs, if you're wanting to, if you've gone and got one of these because you're a frequent camper, then you can use the drill. We've changed our tyre, we're ready to remove our jack. So it's as simply as reverse of what we did before, which is release our locator, take the pressure off the jack and remove our pin, takes it away. And as you can see, our jacking point is left as it was. We're now safe to put our jack back in the location. Now with our jack, there are different positions the jack can go in. So it's simply remove, and locate to where we want it to be. When it's stored, we put it in this position, pin through, and our safety pin to lock it into place.